This product is a dual monitor desk mount compatible with 13 to 32-inch monitors for point for 219.8 pounds with VESA 75 by 75 mm or 100 by 100 mm mounting holes. Offering to installation method seat lamp or grommet base, full motion tilt, swivel, rotate, improves posture, and is compatible with wooden desks 0.59-3.5 inches thick without cross beams or panels. Customers find the monitor stand easy to set up and appreciate its solid build quality and strong arms. The product offers good value for money and provides multiple ways to position screens, with one customer noting it has a lot of movement including rotation. The stand leaves more space on the desk and can hold to 27 inches monitors, though some customers report their monitors wobble. AI generated from the text of customer reviews.